Emails get overwhelming fast, especially when your day becomes a blur of meetings, follow-ups, schedules, searching for old conversations, and constantly trying to stay on top of everything. Most people don't need another quick AI trick. They need a system that actually reduces long-term friction. So today I'm testing something called Superhuman Mail. And honestly, this is one of the first AI email tools that generally feels like designed for long-term productivity instead of like short-term gimmicks. Superhuman Mail is part of the Superhuman productivity suite, and this is honestly the most productive email app ever made. The biggest thing it tries to solve is email chaos, because most inboxes slowly become cluttered, stressful, and impossible to manage, especially if you're a founder, creator, developer, or a freelancer. And for me personally, Superhuman Mail is the tool that I use to make my inbox feel more manageable. In my personal inbox, I have like thousands and thousands of emails in here, but as soon as I started using Superhuman Mail, it basically went through my entire inbox. Like, it analyzed thousands and thousands of emails, and then it marked each and every single email. Let's suppose most of these emails are like marketing related, and it very carefully goes through each and every single email. Let's suppose this particular email is a pitch that somebody is actually trying to pitch me. Among thousands of emails, it has already mentioned which emails are important, which emails are related to calendar. Like, all of my meeting related emails are in here, and also I receive a large amount of emails from GitHub, so it has listed all of the emails related to GitHub in this one single tab. So to start using Superhuman Mail, simply just click on the link in description, and then you can just directly open this page. If you just go to superhuman.com, this is not particularly Superhuman Mail. You'll actually find this option which is looking for Superhuman Mail. Simply click on learn more, and then you'll be landed on this landing page, and this is Superhuman Mail. And here you can actually simply just log in, get started, and start using it right away. By the way, you can download Superhuman Mail on your desktop. So right now you can see I have already installed this app on my desktop, and you can even just download this Chrome extension as well. So if you want to use it inside browser, so you can just directly download this Chrome extension. Now let me show you the feature that I found the most useful, by the way. And this feature is honestly one of the biggest time savers. I'm talking about this Ask AI feature. Now, why this feature is so useful? Searching through old email threads is one of the most annoying productivity problems that I have ever faced. We have all been there when clients sent information like weeks ago, meeting details get buried, or attachments disappear in long threads. Normally you waste time manually searching through everything, but now this feature Ask AI can actually surface important details almost instantly, because this tool already has the entire context of my entire mails. So if I'm looking for something very important, I can just like ask it directly in here, something like which email contained the revised pricing information. So I can directly just enter that prompt in here, and it will just go through all of the emails, and then it will instantly answer me. For example, I can ask it about a certain project. So I can ask what is the latest update on this particular project. Now I can just press enter, and you can see almost instantly it has retrieved all of the information related to this project. Then it created this summary, and also it mentioned that it looks like there are no follow-up emails from this particular project after the initial outreach. So now you can ask it to draft a reply. So let's suppose you had like a long thread of emails, a long thread of conversations, and you're looking for like a certain information from a certain email. So rather than like going through all of those emails and then try to locate that certain piece of information, you can simply just ask here, and then it will find that particular information for you instantly. Now this next feature that I want to talk about is incredibly practical. I'm talking about auto drafts. Now follow-ups are one of the easiest things to forget when your inbox gets busy, especially when you're juggling multiple projects, clients, and deadlines. Suddenly important conversations just disappear. But auto drafts help solve that problem. The AI reminds you when follow-ups are needed, and it can even draft the email for you automatically. That actually sounds very simple, but it saves a surprising amount of mental energy. Instead of constantly trying to remember if you responded or if you like sent that email or not, the system actually helps you manage that workflow automatically. This feature auto drafts is really useful because it helps me keep things from slipping. So if I need to follow up, it reminds me and even drafts a message as well, which keeps my momentum going without the heavy lifting. So to use this feature, just go to your settings. So you can just go to settings by simply clicking on Control K or Command K, and here you can simply look for settings, click on that, and here on this right side you can find these different options. There is autocomplete, autocorrect, auto archive, and there is the auto draft. Simply just click on this, and here you can find all of these options in here. The first one is follow-ups, automatically draft a reply when a reminder returns and needs a follow-up. So make sure that you have checked that. The next one is responses. Make sure that you have checked that as well. And after that, there is this scheduling. So you can then further select these options as well. But this will automatically just set up everything for you. Now, another thing that makes email stressful is clutter. Most inboxes become overwhelming because irrelevant emails never stop arriving. The newsletters that you never subscribed, notifications, automated updates, and just random spam. And eventually your inbox becomes impossible to manage. And that's where this feature auto archive becomes useful. So again, you can turn on this option inside settings. Simply just go to settings and then just go to auto archive, and here make sure that you archive any of these email categories. So any email that is labeled as marketing, you can archive that. Any email that is labeled as news or pitch or social, so just choose any of these categories and then it will automatically send that email to archive. So instead of manually cleaning everything, the system automatically helps you remove the clutter from the view. These emails remain searchable, but they are kept out of sight so you can focus on the emails that matter. Seriously, a clean inbox changes productivity way more than people realize, because mental overload often starts visually. When your inbox looks chaotic, it feels chaotic. One feature that I personally like is split inbox. Having every email in the same inbox is a quick way to overwhelm yourself before your day has even started. The traditional inboxes just mix everything, and that just creates constant distraction. But split inbox helps you organize emails into prioritized sections so important conversations can stay visible while low priority emails stay out of the way. So right now you can see I have these 4 splits. The first one is important, then calendar, then GitHub, then others. And I can create a new split. I can simply just click on this, and here I can basically enter an email address or a domain name for a VIP sender. So every time that particular sender actually sends me an email, that will be in that particular split. This makes the inbox feels dramatically calmer, especially if you have multiple projects going on at once. You can separate business inquiries, team communications, and client messages from newsletters and automated notifications. You see exactly what you need to see, exactly when you need to see it. Now this next feature removes a lot of unnecessary back and forth, which is booking pages. Scheduling meetings through emails is honestly exhausting. You have probably seen the endless thread of like, what works for you? No, not Tuesday. How about Thursday? Actually, I'm not available then. And suddenly 20 emails later, the meeting still is not booked. But booking pages simplifies all of that. You basically send one scheduling link and people choose available times automatically. Honestly, booking meetings used to be what clogged my inbox the most. But now booking pages handle everything in one link, so meetings get booked without any back and forth. This feature alone can save hours over time. And if you're on the go, the Superhuman mobile app has a feature called Write with Voice. You can speak what you want to say, and Superhuman turns it into polished draft in your voice and tone, ready to review and send in seconds. Unlike Gmail and Outlook, which simply transcribe your words, Write with Voice interprets your intent and generates a refined email that actually sounds like you. So whether you are at the airport, mid-commute, or just away from your desk, a few spoken words get the job done. And for those who use external AI models, Superhuman can now feature the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, and this allows you to connect Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini directly into your Superhuman mail inbox and calendar as well. You can search email with natural language, draft replies in your voice, check read statuses, set reminders, and schedule meetings all from your AI tool of choice. You can gather deep insights from your entire history and draft project responses without ever leaving the conversation with your AI. I think what makes Superhuman Mail different is that it focuses on reducing friction over time. It is not about AI magic tricks or like those viral gimmicks. It is about actual long-term workflow improvements. Most productivity tools fail when daily usage becomes stressful, but here the AI quietly changes searching, drafting, organizing, scheduling, and prioritizing. With this AI tool, the inbox feels much more manageable, and that's exactly what most professionals actually need. So just stop chasing the next AI hack and start using a system that makes emails feel less overwhelming. So if you want to try Superhuman Mail yourself, you can just sign up and get 1 month free of Superhuman Mail with the link in description below. And if you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.